Hey guys, it's Phil. We have a unboxing today of another lens. This one I purchased off of Facebook, one of my Canon Facebook groups. Older lens here. Let's go ahead and get this real quick. Oh wow. Oh nice. So, I didn't realize the whole box was coming with it. But like I said, older camera. This is the EF 17-40 F4L. Needed something for these videos. The lens that I'm currently using is the 16-35 EF that I rented from Lens Rental. We talked about it in another video. This one though, I purchased for these videos, and I also was hoping to be able to do real estate photography with it. Unfortunately, I don't think that's going to happen. Using the 16-35, I noticed the 16 is just, it's a little too close personally. I need something wider. So we'll try to use it. Inside just some styrofoam, lots of plastic. We have the manual. I don't know if my RF lens came with a manual at all. We have the little bag. It looks brand new. I don't ever use these, I just put them away. Lens guard. And here it is. So I'm wondering if he bought it used from someone else. I don't know if you can see that there. Let's see. It's not a Canon OEM lens cap. A little bit of nick, just kind of on the lens here. Not the lens, but the guard itself. Lens looks nice though. Looks clean. Off the back. A little bit of noise there, but it's an older lens. Just like this 16-35, the inside of it moves. I don't know if you can see that there. But from what I've understood, the 17-40 F4 was first, and then from here they went to a 17-35. That came in a 2.8L, and then it switched over to the 16-35. The RFs, as you know, go to 15-35 with supposedly a rumor of a 14-28 coming, which I really want that. I'm looking at getting the RF 28-70 F2. I rented the 85 F2. Liked it, just didn't like that focal range. It was a little too close to me, but the bokeh was great. But you know, for $205 for this, the local shop is selling it for $478, $480-ish, give or take. Couldn't pass it up. This will become the new lens. This one actually has to go back today, January 29th. So we're going to do another video kind of comparing the two real fast, and then I got to pack it up and ship it out. So I'll see you guys in the next one.